Hey guys, back with another video, and today we're on another ICO. SmartO is a virtual assistant or a personal super assistant that uses artificial intelligence algorithms. Siri, Google, and Alexa are assistants that are available at the moment. However, SmartO has two significant distinctive features. First one being monetization for the users, and second one is revolutionary solution for advertisers. To give you an idea of how SmartO would work, let's look at an example, or imagine you set an alarm for 8 a.m. but it goes off at 7:20 a.m. It happened because SmartO analyzed the task you entered before and took into account the weather conditions. There's a heavy snowfall and it'll take more time to get to work. Thus, thanks to SmartO, you have time for breakfast and can get to work on time. Another scenario would be you have 30 tasks in SmartO. One of those is to buy a water filter, and you have a rendezvous with a childhood friend. In the evening, as you are on your way home, SmartO notifies you that 2 kilometers down the road there's a mall with a special offer on a water filter. The store got good reviews and it is registered in SmartO, and you will get an additional discount and increased cashback. What's more, SmartO tells you that your friend is at the mall this very minute, so you can also meet up with him. So basically imagine your assistant with Google Maps, with all other applications all working together as one assistant on your phone to provide you the best possible service imaginable. Having a look at some of the key points about SmartO. So one of the first things which we have to talk about when we're talking about SmartO is the challenge what we face every day. And that is our whole life consists of solving problems and achieving goals which we set throughout our life. And sometimes they can be planned or unplanned schedules, events, or any other tasks we might have during these goals or solving the problems. This is where SmartO comes in. Now, super solution. SmartO is a universal mobile application that will make our life easier, more convenient, and organized. In addition, SmartO gives its users 5 ways to earn money effortlessly. So besides getting on track and getting your life organized, you will also be making money in the process through their cryptocurrency. SmartO system. SmartO is a whole world of mobile services capabilities united into one powerful system with the use of blockchain technology, smart organizer, interactive navigator, instant messenger, personal assistant with adaptive algorithm, and many other useful services. How SmartO works. You simply enter tasks into the application, standard or voice input, and then a powerful expert system located on cloud server starts working. This system analyzes non-stop data from other applications, geoinformation systems, and solves optimization problems with one purpose: to tell you how, when, and in what order to solve all your tasks in the most efficient and easy way. SmartO's funding source. SmartO is targeted at a very wide audience. Millions of people will install SmartO on their smartphones following the millions of SmartO users. Business will join the app to use SmartO as an advertising platform to promote its goods and services. Users will see the goods and services of suppliers registered within SmartO. Their offers will be displayed on the map along with user routes. Innovation. SmartO completely changes the principle of viewing and placing ads. If users did not receive anything from viewing ads in the past, in SmartO, the users receive 60% of the advertising budget. This is one of the other interesting things what I found was their approach to placement of ads and targeting the customers. They are giving customers an incentive as well to watch the ads. Unlike all the current advertisers we have right now in the digital space, none of them offer any incentive for the customers to watch the ad or participate in the ad. SmartO for users. You'd have Smart Organizer, Personal Assistant, Source of Income, a means of communication. SmartO for app users, people from different regions of all ages and genders, anyone basically with a smartphone. Smart Organizer would allow you to organize reminds about birthdays of loved ones, boss and in-laws, and many other things like reminds you to take medication, visit the doctor, get groceries, sync certain tasks between the family members, reminds you about tasks that you have forgotten. Personal Assistant looks for items from your list of necessary things on your route, a cozy hotel, restaurant, tips, off an insurance bargain, prompt, or another product service. Tells about more interesting events in the city, movie opening, sports events, etc. Then source of income. This would be the interesting thing for majority of us investors right now. App users are rewarded for a number of things: sharing experience with friends, introducing them to specific stores, brands, and services, which would be the referral program, watching relevant ads in SmartO, writing reliable reviews about service providers, allowing SmartO to share users' browsing history with interested parties. A means of communication will bring together people with common interests to exchange views, share experience, and pass on advice. Will enhance communication with other users. Will help getting assistance in an emergency. Will bring lonely hearts together. Arrange a romantic meeting with geo-tagging help. Will help to stay in touch with friends and relatives with synchronized contacts. So this would be the 4 ways how users can actually benefit or use SmartO as an app. Now let's have a look at the benefits SmartO would give to businesses. So means of keeping loyal customers and acquiring new customers. SmartO will help businesses to attract customers at any stage. Thanks to partnerships with SmartO, target audience will learn about a product, service, holiday, promotion, or a sale. Customer feedback, free auditing. Thanks to user feedback, the companies will be able to improve the quality of goods and services. Word of mouth will attract new customers. Connection with target audience. In SmartO, the users search are goal-oriented. They are looking for suppliers of particular goods or service. If a company is registered in SmartO, it will get a target audience and cash people. Consequently, the company save time and money. Finally, tools for optimizing business process. This app features functions useful for business such as CRM systems, team chat for company employees, and the capability to give tasks to employees and track their progress. Now, here are 8 reasons to become one of these SmartO project investors. This is an IT project that does not require years for the implementation and can be scaled within a very short period of time. Users get not only the unique app, but also the opportunity to get a source of income, starting with the first minutes with SmartO, using the application through a referral link. Investor insurance, guaranteed STO token buyback by SmartO team 1 year after the end of ICO. SmartO is a free smartphone app and powerful expert system on a blockchain with a unique set of features and a clear monetization for everyone. SmartO is the aggregator of familiar, user-friendly and convenient services which can do the same stuff you can do only on its own and at a faster pace. SmartO offers companies a comprehensive solution to keeping and acquiring customers and also helps optimizing business processes. App users, people from different regions of all ages and genders, anyone with a smartphone. That is why SmartO is vast and global. SmartO's visionary and chief technology officer has extensive experience in collaborations on world-famous apps like Viber. Now, one of the other great features what SmartO offers is their investors insurance feature. Basically, the investment protection is everyone can get their investment back within 12 months after the ICO is completed. That is, after a certain period, but no more than 12 months, SmartO can offer a buyback of tokens if the investors wish to return their investment. So basically over here, they've mentioned that once they've collected the funds, they have plans to use the funds on certain things like payments of wages, rents of premises and equipment, registration of cryptocurrencies, business trips, other expenses, and so on. So the way it works is they have this calculation formula over here: funds raised at ICO minus cost at any time of the token buyback divided by issued token quantity, which would equal to the cost of one token for buyback. So this is definitely a great feature offered by an ICO, that you will have the option to sell your tokens back to SmartO. Having a look at their roadmap now. So April 6th is when the pre-ICO starts. By April of 2018, they will have their app prototype. By April 15th is when their pre-ICO ends. April 26th would be the start of the ICO. May of 2018, app prototype completion. May 7th is the end of ICO. September 1st would be listing on exchanges. And then September to December is when they would test version launch, which would include launch of SmartO app test version for Android and iOS with basic features. Some features are prone to changes after focus group research. Users can manage their tasks with complex structure and different types, such as events, meetings, shoppings. Users can communicate with each other. Users can add tasks for each other. Implementation of voice recognition for data entry. From December 2018 till August of 2019 would be further app development, integration with existing services and custom programmings, web portal for business customers, advertising functionality, referral program, integration with geo-positioning service, integration of mutual payments based on blockchain, bringing the numbers of active users to 5,000. August of 2019, establishment of the headquarters. They plan on establishing their headquarters in Germany, which will act as their coordinating center. August 2019 till August 2020 would be further app development, performance and scalability enhancement, possible changes on blockchain, referral program, involvement of advertisers, and bringing the number of active users to 10,000. October 2020, more further app development, custom programming, dynamic ad campaign, and bringing the number of active users to 1 million. So within a 2-year period, they plan on having at least 1 million customers, which is a very good target. What I find interesting is they're keeping their ICO period short. They're not keeping the usual 1 month period. Listing on the exchange is interesting as well, which is kept for 1st of September. So it's giving them ample time to prepare and get the enough exchanges to be part of, or any hurdles or tasks they have to complete before they can get launched on the exchange. This is a great thing. What I find interesting is they're already telling the exchanges they plan on being on. So as they mentioned in the heading, STO token will be listed on the following exchanges. Now, as they mentioned in the roadmap, September 1st would be the date when they go on the exchanges. But at the same time, they mentioned here, STO token will be presented at least at 4 exchanges. So we can expect to be on 4 of these 10 exchanges mentioned over here. And personally, I would be really happy to see them on Binance, KuCoin. These are the 2 exchanges I personally use. Finally, coming into the ICO details. So it is an ERC20 token. The symbol is STO. Total supply of coins would be 12 billion. ICO supply is 6 billion tokens. The start date of the ICO is 26th of April 2018. End date is 7th May 2018. The minimum investment would be 100,000 tokens. Price of each token is $0.001. The soft cap is set at $1,575,000 and the hard cap is set at $8,325,000. Now, if they don't reach their soft cap, they plan on returning the money back to the investors, or they will keep a voting system where they would ask all the investors to make a vote of either to continue or to do a refund for the customers. Getting into the funds allocation now. The money they do get from the ICO, they plan on spending it in the following manner. 2% would go for exchanges, SmartO team expansion would get 4%, SmartO team would get 6%, SmartO partners and advisors will get 6%, headquarters will get 10%, tokenomics marketing will get 15%, SmartO development will have 20%, SmartO marketing will get 37%. That about covers everything about SmartO. In conclusion, I find SmartO as a very interesting concept for the fact that we've experienced Siri, Google, or Alexa, and we've all been fascinated by these personal assistants. But to go a step further, and what SmartO plans to offer would become a game changer in the market. What SmartO plans to offer is an amazing concept, and at the same time what they're trying to do is merge the advertisers and customers together where both can benefit from the market together. All in all, a great project. Do let me know what are your thoughts on SmartO, and remember guys, always do your own research and due diligence before investing into any ICO. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Remember to subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and post a comment below. I will be seeing you guys around.